Good morning, all of you. Today we will see the lesson number 1. How does a computer work? So, first we will see the basic information about the computer. So, computer is an electronic machine. Means it works on the electricity. If the light is not there, we cannot work. So, it consisting of the three steps. That three steps information we will see now. So the first one it is input. So user give the instructions to computer to make the work. Means user means the human being or we are giving the instructions to computer to work. Next it is the instructions provided by us is known as input. Means whatever we are giving the information using the different devices, this is called as the inputs, and using the keyboard and mouse we can give the instructions to the computer. Next it is process. The working on the given instruction is known as a process. Means whatever we have given the information to the computer, it will do the processing or it will perform the different operation, and after that it will finalize the result. So this is called as a processing. And the last one it is the result that we will see on the screen is called as a output. Means this is your screen, and on this screen you will get the output. Whatever you have typed or whatever you have done on the system, it will give the results to us on the screen. So this is the basic information about the computer. Now we will see one by one step information related to this. First one it is input. The data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called as a inputs. Means whatever the raw material or whatever the information we are providing with the help of this keyboard, so this is called as a inputs. And the example of this is 7, 4, plus. Means in this only inputs are given in this. After this we have to see the process. Working on the given data is called as a processing. Means whatever we are getting the inputs, on that we have to work, and then only we can do the processing. If input we have not got, then we cannot do the processing. So that processing is an important part. And last one it is output. Here the example of processing is CPU. Using the CPU, here it will perform the arithmetic operations as well as the logical operation. And the last one it is output. Output means result. Means after doing the processing, the result will display on the screen, and that is called as the output. And example of this is monitor and printer. Means after doing all the process, you will get the result on the monitor or a printer. Printer, what it will do? It will gives the result on the paper. With the help of the printer, we can take the printout. Next, we have to see using these steps we can perform the different operations. So this input, process and output, these are the important parts of computer. Now we will see the examples of this. So first example we will take computer only. So this using this keyboard and mouse, these are called as the inputs from where we can use the information. This is a CPU where it will do the process, and this is known as a screen or monitor where we can get the result. Second example we will see, if you are taking the pencil and sharpener, so this pencil is input. Then this is a sharpener. So here in this sharpener, when you keep the pencil and sharp it after doing the process, so here process will do and then you will get the result sharp pencil. So this is the second example. Now next example is there. If you are taking the example of washing machine, so if you have the means in your home there are the means dirty clothes, so if you are doing the process then only you will get the clean clothes. For that the washing machine is important. So whatever the clothes are there we are keeping in the washing machine, and then after doing the process you are getting the clean clothes. So this is the second one example. Now next example is, if you are taking the example of if you want to make the juice, so for that purpose again there are the three steps. So first we have to take the orange, or you can take the any fruit. Then when you are keeping in the juicer we have to make the mixture of all, and then after doing the process you are getting the juice. So this is the another example. So these are the different types of examples of input, process and output. In your textbook also there are the different examples given on it, so that you have to see, and in your daily life also you can check. So this is the information about the how does a computer work. Thank you.